let's study the fixed equal installment or straight line method of depreciation first. And the features are obviously this is a boring part. Next portion, okay, let's skip this boring part. So we know what a straight line method is, that is dividing it by the number of years and charging same amount of depreciation every year. Okay, we have an example right here, that is, okay, so the cost of the machine is 90,000, expenses incurred at the time of purchase to be capitalized, hence this is a capital expenditure which will be added to the cost of machine. I'll give you a detailed lecture on what capital and revenue expenses are, but for just now you can add this. This is this plus this is the value of the asset. Estimated residual value is 20,000, expected life is 8. Okay, so 1 lakh minus 20,000, I guess, minus 20,000 and divide by 8. Okay, so the actual expenses that will be incurred for purchasing this machine is 80,000 only, and to distribute those expenses over the period of 8 years, that is what depreciation tells you, that is, you should not charge all the 80,000 once. uh, Instead you should distribute that 80,000 into the useful life, because that period, that asset will be used for 8 years. Hence, to earn the profit of 8 years you should be charging the expenses of 8 years. Okay, let's see if this is the correct answer or not. That is 80 divided by 8, 10,000, and yeah, hence 10,000 is the depreciation. Okay, you can solve the second one for yourself. 24 plus 7, that is 31, minus 3100, 31,000 minus 3100 divided by 6, 31,000 minus 3100 divided by 6, which come to 4650. Okay, and how is it calculating the rate? That is 10,000 divided by 1 lakh, 4650 divided by 31,000. So if you want to apply rate, you can, that is 1 lakh into 10% directly. The third one right here is 1 lakh 5. Let's open calculator and do it. Okay, 1 lakh 5,000 plus 20,000, as it is a capital expenditure and it is directly an integral part of the machine. Now enter minus 12500, enter, divide by 3, 37,500, and the value should be, the percentage is 37,500 divided by 1,25,000 into 100. Okay, 30% and 37,500. Oops, why wrong answer? Okay, looks like there is a misprint in the question, that is, it should be 3 only, and yeah, so right here it should be 3 and it should be 5. If it takes 5, we can do it by 5 also. I'll show you. Kelsey, where are you? Kelsey, why are you not coming? Yeah, 1,05,000 plus 20,000. Oops, 1,05,000. Oops, 1,05,000 plus 20,000 minus 12,500. That comes to 1,12,500 divided by 5. Enter, 22,500 is the depreciation rate right here, and divided by 1,25,000 to arrive at the percentage into 100 and into 100, then hence 18%. Okay, next one you can calculate for yourself, and this is your assignment. Let's move to illustration. This a machine purchased for 7 lakh. Expenses incurred on its cartage and installation is 3 lakh. Calculate the amount of depreciation at 20%. Straight line method, and if the machine is purchased on okay. Now let's solve this one in the next lecture. That will be the part 2 of SLM method. So see you.